This is our first salted egg test. Oh,
Hindi pa.
yung taste. Tingnan natin yung taste. How's the taste?
Hindi pa.
Pengi din. I-describe ko yung taste. Salty na.
Yung white.
Yeah. And creamy. We're expecting an oily egg yolk. So, after 21 days, this is how it looks like. So, we will be adding 7 more days. So, on May 28th, we'll be testing again. I believe that will be perfect for the salted eggs. And when we are successful, there will be an endless supply of salted eggs in our house. Now, on its 30 days of being with the brine, so we will test again. The last time was about 14 days. And it's only the egg white that seemed to be salty, but not really that salty as expected. I'm opening and then we'll be eating this. If this becomes successful, I will make the second batch, another 12 pieces. So far, this is the second one, so I still have 10 more submerged in the brine. Seems like this one is quite different from the first one. So it's the first one was too dry. And this one is a little bit wet on the surface. Hopefully, this is going to be salty. I'm so excited. I want to taste it, but okay, so I have to be very patient. Ooh. We're very patient in peeling this up. So unlike our normal boiled egg, it's easy to peel, but this one is not. Okay. Tasting. Oh, it's salty. Yay, it's salty. Another bite. Salty. Now, uh, that one is for the egg white. Now, let's try the egg yolk. Whoa. Oh my gosh. This is it. This is it. The egg yolk. I haven't tasted it yet, but it seemed to be salty. So let me taste this piece. Okay. This one is oily, check, salty, and if it blends with the salty egg white, the taste will is perfect. This is what I was looking for. So, yay! Success! On the 30th day, 1 month of making the salted egg. So I believe it is success. Thank you for watching.